Emma. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I just made some coffee and did my little English routine.
Smiles. English routine? That sounds interesting. What do you do?
Well, you know how I've been trying to improve my English for teaching beginners? Every morning, I do a few small habits. They really help me stay sharp.
Oh, yeah? Like what? I'm curious.
Don't laugh, okay? It's super simple. I listen to one short English podcast, I write one sentence in my journal, and I talk to myself for like 2 minutes.
Talk to yourself? That's awesome. What do you say?
I just describe my morning, like I'm making coffee, the coffee smells good, I feel sleepy. It's silly, but it works.
That's actually genius. You're practicing speaking, but in a natural way.
Exactly. No pressure, no stress, just me, my coffee, and my bad morning hair.
That sounds like a peaceful start. I think people forget that small things count.
Totally. What about you? You speak a few languages, right?
Yeah, I studied Spanish for a few years, and I noticed the best progress came when I made it part of my day, not just study time.
Oh, like daily habits?
Yeah, for example, I changed my phone to Spanish for a while. At first, it was confusing, but after a few days, I started recognizing words without even thinking.
That's a great idea. You learn without sitting down to study.
Exactly. It becomes part of your life. Like when I got a text saying nuevo mensaje, I didn't need to translate it anymore. My brain just knew it meant new message.
That's awesome. I think that's the secret, to make English feel normal.
Yeah, like something you do naturally every day.
So, what's one daily habit you'd recommend for English learners?
I'd say listening, even just 5 minutes a day.
Listening. Why listening?
Because that's how you get used to the rhythm of English. You start to feel it. You hear real pronunciation, not just textbook stuff.
Yeah, I remember when I first listened to American podcasts, I couldn't catch anything. But after a few weeks, I started hearing words clearly.
Exactly. It's like your ears get stronger.
Ear workout.
Yeah, like going to the gym, but for your brain.
I like that. So, your habit is listening. Mine is speaking to myself.
Perfect combo.
You know, another small thing that helps me is reading something short every night. Like, even one short article or a few pages of an easy book.
Oh yeah, reading before bed is great. It helps your brain relax and learn at the same time.
Exactly. And I highlight new words. Not too many, just 2 or 3.
That's smart. I used to highlight everything when I was learning Spanish, and then I got tired and stopped.
Yeah, that's the problem. If you do too much, it's not fun anymore.
True. I think fun is the key word here.
Definitely. If you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it.
So let's see, we've got listening a little every day, speaking to yourself, reading small things, and maybe writing one sentence.
Yeah, I call it the 5-minute habit plan.
Ooh, sounds official. You should make a YouTube video about that.
Maybe I will. I could say, learn English in 5 minutes a day. No stress, no books.
Perfect title.
Yeah. But it's true. Even 5 minutes can change everything if you do it every day.
I agree. Consistency beats perfection.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up.
You know, that's kind of true for life in general, not just English.
Yeah, small steps, big results.
So, what's your favorite time to practice English, morning or night?
Morning for sure. I feel fresh and it sets a positive tone for my day.
Makes sense. For me, it's night. I like listening to something calm before bed, like a story or a short video.
Oh yeah, like bedtime English.
Exactly. I should trademark that.
Too late, I'm stealing it.
Fair enough.
You know what's funny? I used to think learning English had to be serious. Books, grammar rules, all that. But now I see it's more about habits and feels.
Yeah, it's like learning a song. You repeat it a little every day and suddenly it's just in you.
It's beautiful.
Thanks.
So, for anyone watching, what should they remember from today?
I'd say don't study harder, study smarter.
And make it fun. Listen, speak, read, write. Just a little, every day.
Exactly. Your future self will thank you.
Yeah, English isn't something you learn once, it's something you grow with.
I love that. Grow with English.
Maybe that's the name of our next podcast.
Deal.
Thanks for chatting, John. This was fun.
Anytime, Emma. And hey, don't forget your morning English talk with your coffee tomorrow.
Never. It's my favorite part of the day.
Awesome. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing, one small step at a time.